In ancient Egypt, cats were adorned with precious jewelry and linen garments, symbolizing their divine status. Meanwhile, in medieval Europe, dogs showcased royal splendor in capes and crowns, parading alongside nobility. This unique fashion trend extended to the Chinese, where imperial dogs wore silk robes, reflecting their owners' affluence. As societies evolved, so did animal fashion, adapting to the trends of each era and region. Today, this fascinating lineage is celebrated in modern pet fashion shows, where creativity knows no bounds, and every outfit tells a story of its cultural heritage.